Hello my YouTube fans and viewers. I'm giving you the final update of the calm after the storm. It is done. The storm is done. So now you get to see what it looks like from my perspective, and I'll give you a walk around a little bit of the neighborhood. So you get to see some of the snow that has fallen here in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Sorry, I had to put my finger on the screen. I had a little bit of fuzz. That's how deep the banks are. You can see as they cut through the snow. Oh yeah, it's brutal out here. But the roads are clean compared to what you've seen last night. How everyone was buried out of here. Oh yeah, it's quite brutal as I give you guys a walk around. Oh yeah, it's nasty. We got hit hard. You can see that much of the walkway, everything like that. Oh yeah, we've been hit pretty hard, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment below, like up with the thumb up, or like it, or don't like it if you don't. And also subscribe with the red button that says subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. Oh yeah. Sorry, it went blurry there for a second. Don't know why. But for all of my YouTube fans, this is what the weather looks like here in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, as we dig out from a snowstorm. As you can see, this car is buried here. Can't get out of his driveway. I ain't going nowhere. But I've got to shovel a neighbor's driveway. Not much snow, but I mean, I got to do it for her. As I promised, I helped the seniors out, and as what we can say is, it's better helping than not. As you can see, plows are already plowing the streets. They're already out full force. The city of Hamilton. So yeah, guys, that's the final update from the massive storm. We're supposed to be hit with another 5-10 centimeters, maybe 15 on Wednesday this week. I know my buddy down in Westport, Massachusetts is getting hit with the same snowstorm, and they should be done by tomorrow at 1. So they say. But that's pretty much the gist of everything here in Hamilton, Ontario. Just want to say again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment below, click the thumb up button or the down or the thumbs down button to like or dislike, and comment and the red button where it says subscribe on the screen. Once again, I like to say thank you to all my YouTube viewers out there. Hope you enjoy our channel, and I am FireRat1980. You can get me at FireRat1980 on Xbox Live, on Twitter, FireRat1980, and on Twitch, FireRat1980, Fire-Rat on Ustream, and Fire-Rat on PlayStation Network. So once again, you can email me at kindhearted3380@gmail.com. Once again, have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care again, and hope you guys don't get snowed in, because we sure did, but we know how to deal with it, because we're Canadians, and Canadians know how to battle the snow. Once again, thank you guys for watching Fire Rat's Playground.